Today we're looking at changing the battery inside a Mazda remote. At the moment this one's actually got a weak signal. We know the other key's working okay. So the things you'll need up front are the remote unit itself, a small, thin, flat head screwdriver. If you want to, you can put a small piece of tape on the end of this just to protect the plastic, but I found it's not really necessary. And of course, we want a new battery or cell for it, and this is a CR2025. I've got this in a pack of 2, so we may as well change both batteries in both remotes at the same time. So let's get on with it. First thing to do is actually take the key out of the unit. So you move this switch here, and out comes the key, and put that to one side. Okay, once we've actually taken out the key from the unit, we can use the flathead screwdriver to insert it into a small gap here where the key was. You can see it there. And the idea is actually now just gently twist the screwdriver, and what you'll see here is it'll split open a little bit. Okay, no sound there. Let's bring it around. Now there's another, do it on the other side as well. Put the screwdriver in and twist. By twisting the screwdriver in both sides where the key came out, then we've actually opened up a small gap which decreases as we go to this end of the unit. What we're going to do is move these two halves of the unit apart by placing the screwdriver here almost halfway down and twisting, and you'll hear it click. And then we'll take it around to the other side. Put the screwdriver in, being gentle, twisting, and there we have it. Both sides of the unit are free. So we can see inside here there's some springs and the like. We don't need to worry too much about that. What we're interested in is this main side of the unit. And under this cover here it says CR2025, which is the battery type. Okay, now what we can expect in here is there's a dust seal, but we can put the screwdriver gently under the edge here again and just get it in there and twist it. It will lift this cap off. When this is coming out, we can use the fingers and gently take out this cover here. And what we'll see here is that the cap will come off, and we'll put that to one side. Here's the dust seal. In this particular unit it's orange in colour, so it's easy to see. Now the battery itself inside is actually held in just with gravity, and there's a plate on this side. So just very gently place a screwdriver in here, lift it up and take out the battery and put it to one side. Now be really careful with those batteries because they can be dangerous to children and to some pets. So make sure you keep an eye on them all the time and dispose of them safely. Of course, remember which is your new one as well. So take the new battery and making sure that we have the label on the outside. We slide it into the unit and make sure it sits in nice and flat. It'll spring up a little bit, but that's okay. Now bearing in mind this seal is still in place, we're going to put the dust cover back on and just place that into the unit. And then it'd be good if we take some of this dust out. Shows how dusty it can get in there, hence the seal. And then we're just going to put the unit back together again by placing the two halves together, and from this round end squeezing it, and listen for the click. There we are, we've got the key back together. And then you can insert the key back into the unit. And there we have it. And of course, test it with your vehicle, and hopefully it will last a long time. Happy driving.